Hello children! Today's video is about road safety. Let's have a look at where it's safe to cross a road. Look at the busy road. But how can we cross it safely? We should use the footbridge. When you use the footbridge, you can cross safely over the road. In some places, there are also subways provided to cross the road. Now let's have a look at what a subway is. Oh dear, another busy road. A subway lets us cross the road safely by going under the road. And of course, we can use traffic lights to cross a road. Red means stop. And green means go. When it turns green, should we be running straight onto the road? No, first we look to our left and right to make sure all the cars have actually stopped. And only then it's safe to cross. Here are a few more things to consider. Do not walk too close to the road. Instead, keep a safe distance. Never ever walk on the road. Always use the pavement. Now, if you are in a car or on the bus, make sure you put your seat belt on. Let's play a quick game. Make some space. And when you hear me say green, you run on the spot. When you hear amber, you jump. And on red, you freeze. Are you ready? Green. Red. Green. Amber. Red. Red. Green. Amber. Red. Yes, well done everyone. See you next time. Bye for now.
Fun learning!